One of the questions I get asked the most on my channel is, which is the next coin that will explode? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the 7 hottest altcoins for August. And I believe these will outperform the cryptocurrency market. And who knows, there might even be a 100x gem among them. Keep on watching to find out more. My name is Kieran and you're watching The Decentralized Lifestyle, where I teach you how to invest like smart money so that you can retire early. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my 7 most bullish altcoins for August. Now, 2 of them are very popular altcoins on the channel, and those are ETH and ADA. So I won't spend too much time on ETH and ADA. I've got other videos lined up for those this week and next week, but there are massive software updates that are coming for both of these altcoins that can actually push the price to new highs, and this is something that I'm really bullish upon. Now let's start with ETH. ETH has had a fantastic rally since the lows of $1,750. I managed to buy a bit of ETH down there, and now we've had a bearish trend, but slowly we've been reversing the trend, which is very important. Now, as long as the price is below the cloud, it's in a bearish trend on the daily time frame. But now we're breaking above the cloud, and today and tomorrow are going to be very important days for the ETH price in terms of trend reversal. Should the price close above this red cloud, that means a continuation of the trend in a bullish direction, and we're likely to retest other previous resistances, such as the $4,000 level, which is a very important price range. Now, Ethereum just had a very important software update, which is the London hard fork, meaning that a lot of ETH is being burnt on a daily basis. ETH is becoming more and more scarce. There's not that much liquidity. There's not that much selling pressure available, which is something that explains why the price of ETH has been so green lately. I've got another video that I highly recommend that you watch, and that is my ETH $100,000 price prediction. I recommend that you watch the full video where I break down my reasons why I believe ETH can reach $100,000 price tag. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. Next up, we've got Cardano. Cardano also has had some really great performance over the last few days, last few weeks. I managed also to scoop up some ADA tokens at around $1.03, somewhere there. I managed to time the dip here. I got really lucky thanks to some signals and alerts that I'm using. So ADA still has a bit to go for a complete trend reversal. What I want to see is ADA price actually entering into the cloud, tackling this resistance of $1.70, which should happen as soon as the price is in the cloud. And when it's above the cloud, then we've got the trend reversal, and we'll be tackling the previous high and important resistance of $2.29. So I'm incredibly bullish on Cardano, especially because at the end of August and the beginning of September, Alonzo hard fork should be happening, should be rolling out, which means that Cardano finally has smart contracts and the DeFi space can start flourishing. So I'm really bullish on ETH and Cardano with all of the updates that are coming out soon. Now we'll continue uncovering the remaining 5 super altcoins that I've got lined up for you. But before we do, only 20% of the watch time is from subscribers. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing for new videos like this one made every week. The first altcoin that I've got for you is in the NFT space. I always wanted to be able to capitalize on the hype and the fast growing trend of the NFT space, and I found this project and I think it's super interesting. So NFTX is a platform for creating liquid markets for illiquid non-fungible tokens. So users deposit their NFT into an NFTX vault and mint a fungible ERC20 token that allows them to fractionalize that token and also earn some passive income thanks to their NFTs. This is a very great way to earn more passive income, because just having an NFT, you're not going to be able to generate passive income. It's just like an asset that you'd buy, and then in order to gain more money, you'd have to sell it at a higher price. So yeah, NFTX allows people with NFTs to earn protocol fees, to earn trading fees as a liquidity provider, meaning providing liquidity for the NFT and another asset like the NFT and ETH or the NFT and USDC, and to farm with stablecoins using the V tokens as loan collateral. So there are many different options. Pretty bullish on NFTX. So currently the price has risen quite a bit, $234. There are, however, only 650,000 tokens in the total supply, which is a very low amount, and that explains the higher price. The current market cap is $110 million, which is pretty low in my opinion, and there's a lot of upwards potential for this coin. The price chart is looking pretty healthy, especially since the price just recently broke above the previous all-time high, which is a very important metric, meaning that the hype for this project has not died down yet. The next project I'm super bullish upon is Dawn. The reason why I'm so bullish upon that is because it's a project within this new emerging trend, and that is play and earn projects, meaning people can play games and earn money. And I think this is very, very exciting. Many people around the world already love to play games, and who wouldn't like to be able to play games and then also earn some passive income while playing? So Dawn is actually built on the Ethereum blockchain, and they allow people to play mainstream games and be paid in a decentralized way. So you can play, stake, wager, and earn rewards by playing AAA titles on the First Blood platform. So here there are a few games that are available to play and earn today: Dota 2, PUBG, Call of Duty Warzone. So if you're one of my subscribers and you've already playing games, then why not play and earn at the same time? So that's why I'm super bullish upon this project. Dawn protocol is currently trading at $3.81. It's got a market cap slightly higher than the previous project, $272 million, and the circulating supply is 70 million tokens, which is pretty good. That's also the total supply, so you don't really have any more tokens that could dump onto the market. So now the next project is not a surprise to some of you, and that is Ergo. I'm super bullish on Ergo. I also have a large Ergo bag, so you might understand why I'm a bit biased towards the Ergo project. Now, the reason why I'm so bullish upon this project is because it's a proof of work blockchain with smart contracts. In my opinion, it's a better version of Bitcoin and Chainlink. They've got some very advanced technology. The founder of Ergo was also the co-founder of Chainlink, and that explains why I'm also really bullish on the developer team behind the Ergo blockchain. I'll be definitely making another video talking about Oracle pools and its importance for Cardano DeFi, and why I believe Ergo is positioned to be a very strong competitor to Chainlink. Ergo also has its own stablecoin, allowing easier integration with other centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and off-ramps. Ergo also already has smart contracts in the same model as Cardano, so extended UTXO, and that allows for easy integration and interoperability with Cardano. So in my opinion, if you're bullish on Cardano, you should definitely take a closer look at the Ergo blockchain. Even though there are way more positive bullish arguments for Ergo, this is the last one on the list, and that is talking about privacy. Ergo has optional privacy built in, and this is very important with the current regulatory landscape, especially in the US. With the push of a button, you can actually send private transactions on Ergo. This is very important, trust me. Now, if you're bullish on Ergo or you want to learn more about Ergo, definitely subscribe to this channel, because I'll be releasing a video soon talking about my 10 most bullish reasons why I believe you should buy Ergo. In terms of price performance, Ergo has been phenomenal. It definitely had a bit of a correction like with everything in the market, but since Ergo actually launched on KuCoin, it's had some phenomenal price growth. Many green candles in a row, with a nice dip all the way down to $7.95, and now it's recovering really well. So I think this might not be the worst time for accumulating some more Ergo if you haven't already bought into it. I've got a decent bag. I think I've got around 2,000 Ergo, and I bought them at an average price of around $7. So this is to loop you in. I've invested into this project. So the current price is $9.26. It's got a market cap of 382 million, so a lot of growth potential. I believe this can actually easy 20x, 30x from here on out at the peak of the bull run. It's got a circulating supply of 41 million coins and a total supply of only 100 million coins. And this is incredible. So I believe Ergo could reach a price of maybe $100, $250 or even more during this bull run. So let's see. Very excited about it. The next project on the list is also to do with NFTs. I really like the Charged Particles project because it actually adds way more use cases to NFTs. I'm still not sold on the buying JPEGs for millions of dollars on Rarible. I do like the idea of combining NFTs with some kind of useful twist, and I feel like Charged Particles is doing that, allowing people to combine these NFTs with baskets of tokens. It could be indexes, yield bearing assets, and so on. The sky's the limit of what you can actually do. It hasn't grown that much. It's pretty low cap, not micro cap or anything like that, but it's still pretty low. It's got a current market cap of 5 million with a diluted market cap of $78 million. I've also got a small bag of IONX tokens. Now the last project of the list, I'm also really bullish upon it, and that is Pendu Finance, because Pendu actually allows users to tokenize their future yield, because that is something that might not be possible using a bank. Though the joke's on us, because the banks don't actually offer us any yield. But what Pendu Finance allows you to do is you lock up an asset and then you can already tokenize the future yield and do something else with it. So let's say you would be earning 5%, the yearly 5%, you can actually put it into a token and maybe add it somewhere else as collateral. So users can tokenize their future yield and sell these tokens to lock in the current interest rates for upfront cash. The interest rate might be a variable interest rate, but someone that is using the platform might decide he's happy with an interest rate of only 4% or 5% per year, and he actually sells that on the market and someone else might buy it. So users who hold future yield tokens can also deposit these tokens into Pendu's liquidity pools in exchange for fees and other incentives. So the current price of Pendu is at 41 cents. It's got a pretty low market cap of $14 million. It's got a circulating supply of 33 million with a total supply of 188 million. So the fully diluted valuation is 78 million. So that was it for this video. Do let me know which projects you find interesting. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.